Model, 2015 Fiat Ducato 35 2.3 Multijet medium wheelbase, MOT'D spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 147737 MOT, 31 October 2023 engine, 2287 cc F1 AE3481DE transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, reversing camera, air-con, sat-nav, cruise control, parking sensors EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.